Came to bust up a little dam on the Peace River, just south of Homeland. A new park they put in. So hopefully I busted up enough that I can get through with my little 15 horse. Wish me luck. Engine hit a little bit. Got her locked in the up position. We'll go up here to the front. Some weight up here. She made it. I think there's another blockage in about another mile. Let's see what we got. It just came from up north. I had a good run, and then this is the original reason I came here today. I knew this was here. I didn't know the other one before that I was working on was there. That must be new, but the river's going down a little bit. I guess it's about a foot lower than last time I was here, but as you can see, it's impassable. So I'm gonna climb out there and see if I can do some damage. Busting up this blockage so I can get my little boat through there in the future. I busted up a good chunk, what I'm in right now, up to this area. So once I get out of here, the water should be flowing through here. But the stuff I busted now in little pieces has started that. So that's for another time.